Hey guys, it's Kylie. I am making taco soup again, but I'm going to switch it up a little bit this time. So what I did was I made some chicken in the Instapot with some salsa and seasonings. I'm going to put that in my little crock pot. Generally, I would use a big crock pot for multiple people, but I'm only cooking for my husband and I for tonight. Next, I'm going to add a can of corn. I don't drain any of these cans because I just use what's in them as my broth. I'm not going to add the full can just because I want to have some room for other stuff. If I were to be cooking for multiple people, I would have added the full can. I'm adding some diced tomatoes. I'm going to add some pinto beans, the no salt added. And again, I don't drain this stuff because I like to use what is in the cans as my broth. Next, I'm going to add some, and what I'm going to do with the leftovers of this is I'm going to make my husband a rice bowl with the extra stuff. Then I'm going to add a little bit of black beans. Back in the day, I didn't really like them as much, but I have grown accustomed to black beans. I'm adding some of those. And then I thought, since my new favorite salsa to use is this all these black bean and corn salsa, I decided I wanted to add some of that too. Then I'm gonna add some water. I probably should have used my bigger crock pot, but it's all good. Then, usually I would do taco seasoning, but I don't have that on hand right now, but I do have fajita seasoning, and I think it's pretty similar, so I'm going to just use that. And then, we're going to use a ranch packet. Totally should have had a bigger crock pot, but it's okay. It's all good. This tiny crock pot, honestly though, is perfect for making for just my husband and I, because I don't feel like I should make a big crock pot for just me and him, but that's just me. This is gonna be good. I can already tell. It's gonna be really good. So that's how, and it's good. I'm gonna cook this on low for about, it's 12:30 here where I'm at right now, and we'll probably eat around 5 or 6. So all this is just kind of warming everything up. So chicken's pre-cooked when I put it in there. I like to pre-cook chicken beforehand, simply because I personally, this is just me, I don't like chicken fat in my soup, so I like to cook it first and then add it in. It just feels better to me. So I love y'all so much.